Welcome back to the course on content marketing. In this lecture, we will be discussing the role of content in the customer journey and how to align your content marketing plan with the customer journey. One of the key factors to consider when developing a content marketing plan is the customer journey. The customer journey refers to the steps a customer takes from becoming aware of a product or service to making a purchase. This process usually includes the following stages: awareness stage, consideration stage, decision stage. The customer journey is typically divided into 3 stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. The first stage is awareness. In this stage, the customer becomes aware of a problem or need and starts searching for solutions. This is the stage where the customer becomes aware of your business and what you have to offer. The second stage is consideration. In this stage, the customer evaluates different options and considers the pros and cons of each. This is the stage where the customer is actively researching and comparing different products or services. Finally, the third stage is decision. In this stage, the customer makes a decision to purchase a product or service. This is the stage where the customer is ready to make a purchase and is looking for the final push to make a decision. By understanding these stages and aligning your content marketing plan accordingly, you can create a more seamless and personalized experience for your customers. Content plays a crucial role in each of these stages. In the awareness stage, content can help educate the customer about their problem or need and introduce them to potential solutions. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might create blog posts or social media posts that educate your audience about the importance of using high-quality, natural skin care products. You might also create informational videos or infographics that show the different products you offer and the benefits of each. By creating content that addresses the needs and interests of your target audience in the awareness stage, you can help them understand the value of your products or services and start to build a relationship with them. In the consideration stage, content can help the customer evaluate different options and make a decision about which one is best for them. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might create ebooks or webinars that compare different skincare routines or products and help customers choose the best one for their skin type. You might also create product demonstrations or customer testimonials that show the effectiveness of your products or services. By creating content that helps customers make informed decisions, you can increase the likelihood of them choosing your business. In the decision stage, content can help the customer make a final purchase decision by providing them with the information and reassurance they need to feel confident in their choice. For example, if you run a cosmetic shop, you might create product demonstrations or case studies that show the results of using your products or services. You might also create customer testimonials or money-back guarantees that give customers the confidence to make a purchase. By creating content that helps customers make a final decision, you can increase the chances of them choosing your business over your competitors. To effectively align your content marketing plan with the customer journey, it's important to understand the needs and interests of your target audience at each stage of the journey. This can help you create content that's relevant and valuable to your audience at the right time, can help you effectively guide them through the customer journey. One way to do this is to develop a content calendar. A content calendar can be a useful tool for mapping out the content you plan to create and share at each stage of the customer journey. This can help you stay organized and ensure that you are creating and sharing content that is relevant and valuable to your audience at the right time. By aligning your content with the customer journey, you can create a more seamless and personalized experience for your audience, which can help increase engagement and lead to better outcomes for your business. In the next lecture, we will be discussing the different types of content and their uses. I hope this lecture has given you a better understanding of the role of content in the customer journey and how to align your content marketing plan with the customer journey.